Good morning, my loves, and welcome back. And if you're new, thank you so much for joining me today. And what I have for you today is what I eat in a day to drop those pounds, to stay on track, to lose weight. Summer is definitely just a couple of weeks away and we want to get into our summer bodies. This is a super easy way to do so. Now, please keep in mind, let me put this disclaimer out there. I am not a doctor. I am not a dietitian. Please consult with your doctors, your dietitians, whoever you feel you need to before you do any kind of diet, weight loss plan, anything like that, just for the safety of your own health, because everybody is definitely different. I'm going to show you what I do and how I drop those pounds fast and how I stay on track and how I actually enjoy it, because I am not one to count calories. I don't want to count calories. I don't want to cut out all carbs. I don't want to not be able to eat bread or any of that good stuff. I eat it, but it's all in portion control and doing more good over something that's fatty or something that can put that weight back on you. You can still have it, but just a little bit. Portion control is huge. If you were just to do your portion control, you would be able to see a lot of pounds drop just from that. Also cutting out any kind of sodas, any kind of juices, and just sticking with water. Not saying you can't have them, just cut out quite a bit of them. I used to drink a lot of them. I drink, oh my gosh, so much water now. I can't live without water. I love it. And I do drink juice occasionally and soda occasionally, but it was slowly. I never did anything to make me feel like I was on a diet and I was restricted. That doesn't work for me. I want to be able to, I want to ease into it and actually enjoy it. Now, I try to make this video short and sweet, get straight to the point, show you the meals, so that way if you like what you see, you can incorporate it into your daily life. Again, portion control is everything. If you want to add counting calories, if you want to add, cutting sugar out, cutting bread, carbs, you can do so. But again, consult with your doctor or your dietitian before you do so, just to make sure you yourself are safe. It's just always good to have that reassurance. Now, with that being said, this is also a collaboration with the beautiful Marky and Blair. Now, she has her own channel, her and her husband, and she has 4 kids. It's a family channel. She is amazing. She's the sweetest thing on earth. I'm so blessed that I met her. You guys, I have her link down below. And please go over to her channel, check out her, what I eat in a day. She's on a weight loss journey too, and she's very inspiring. She does a lot of lives. She uploads a lot of great videos. Tell her I sent you. Go show her some love. Now, like I said, I try to make it short and sweet. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Besos todos. Mwah. Enjoy, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Good morning, my loves. So before I even start my breakfast, this is 30 minutes before I eat my breakfast, I'm going to take my apple cider vinegar shot and chase it with some water. Now, what you'll need for this is the apple cider vinegar. It has to be with the mother. I always use the Bragg's brand, and this is a little medicine cup, and I take exactly 1 shot of that. Now, I also mix in some ginger, some turmeric, some pink Himalayan salt, and some pepper. The pepper I mix in because you want to always match black pepper, a little bit of black pepper, with the turmeric to help your body absorb the good stuff in the turmeric. In the cup, I already got a little bit of ginger into the water. I have my apple cider vinegar shot right there. So all I need to do is the pink Himalayan salt, the turmeric, and the black pepper. Now, I put them all on a spoon so that way you can kind of see the portions. So it's very little. Just because you take it every day, you don't need a lot. So I'm just going to put that in and just keep mixing so it dissolves just a little. It doesn't need to dissolve all the way, but just a little bit. And that's good right there. So I'm going to go ahead and take this shot, chase it with the mixture, and then I'm going to drink the rest of the bottle of the water. And then 30 minutes from now, I'll go ahead and eat my breakfast. Okay, so this is what I'm having for breakfast. It's just 2 pieces of toast. I mushed up half of an avocado and put a little bit of salt and pepper, cut up 2 strawberries and put them on top. And then the sauce you see on top of the strawberries is balsamic, and that's what I'm going to be eating for this morning. It is so delicious. So I'm going to eat this up, and then I will see you whenever we have our lunch, snack, or whatever we'll get into a little bit later. Okay, love, so it is 1:30 and I'm still really full from the 2 pieces of avocado toast that I had. So what I went ahead and did was I just cut up 5 strawberries, and I'm going to go ahead and eat those just as a snack to put something in my body, and then that will hold me off until dinner. Okay, so what I went ahead and did was I took 2 fillets of tilapia, I seasoned them, and then I put them in the oven for about 27 minutes. I took them out, let them cool, and then I broke them up in little pieces like this. And then I cut up half of an avocado, and then I cut some thin slices of cucumber, and then that's 3 strawberries cut up in thin slices. So I'm not going to eat all of this tonight. Whatever fish I don't put in my rolls, I'm going to go ahead and just give to my son because he loves the tilapia. And the other vegetables, of course, I'm not going to use them all, but I will save them for tomorrow because this is exactly what I'm going to be eating tomorrow. Other than this in the wrap, we are going to have these rice sticks. Now the rice sticks just help fill you up a little bit, but you put the water to boil and you put however much you want in there, and then once the water starts boiling, just pop them in. Once you pop them in, it literally takes like 3 minutes for them to be done. And this is what we are going to be wrapping our rolls in. The spring roll wraps. They're rice paper wraps. Some of the wraps come spicy, some of them don't. These ones aren't the spicy ones. I prefer the spicy ones. They just have more flavor, but these are the only ones that my store had. Okay, so I like to assemble this by the sink. Now, the reason why I like to do it by the sink is because I can grab my noodles and assemble here, because also with this rice paper, in order to use it, you have to wet it. So it just makes it so much easier for me to do it by the sink. Okay, you guys, so this is what the plate looks like. The 2 rolls on the left are mine. The roll on the right is my husband's. The sauce on the plate that you're seeing is sriracha mayo with some orange chicken sauce. I'm going to mix it together and dip my rolls in there, but it definitely fills me up. It satisfies me, and I don't feel hungry until the next day. So that really helps out that I'm eating this and I'm enjoying it. All right, my loves, that's what I eat in a day. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, some of those combinations of food may sound a little weird, but they are sweet and savory. They're absolutely delectable. I hope you guys try them and incorporate them into your day. Just remember, portion control is everything. You can definitely see the pounds drop just with portion control. Now, I wish you guys the best of luck. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep in mind that along with what you're putting into your body, you also want to be working out. Now, if you're not huge on working out, I will be coming out with an at-home workout video for you guys very soon. I know you guys will enjoy it. They're very easy workouts and straight to the point. And as long as you incorporate them in your day, you're going to see results. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, the like button, and I will see you later. Mwah. Besos todos.